everybody? My name is Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. You've heard it on the news and you've heard me talk about it, but what is stock market investing? Let's start with the basics. Investing is something that creates you passive income, meaning you put in the money and you do the work up front and then you continue to get paid again and again. That's why I don't consider day trading investing, because day trading takes daily time, effort, and energy. That's not investing. Investing in stocks means you find a company you want to invest in, you buy shares of it, and then you hold on to it for the long term while possibly receiving cash payments called dividends. So let's get into it. When you're buying stock, you're buying shares of a company. What that means is when you buy McDonald's stock, you become an owner of McDonald's. You can easily buy shares of a public company using an online stock brokerage. A public company is one that trades in the open market in something like the New York Stock Exchange. Some public companies you might be familiar with include McDonald's, Macy's, Amazon, and Facebook. This is different than a private company which isn't traded in a public stock market. Private companies tend to be smaller, but there are very large private companies like Dell. A private company can go public by filing an IPO or initial public offering. Stocks are essentially valued based on supply and demand. When people are optimistic about the economy, they'll want to buy stocks. When there are more buyers and sellers, the price of stocks will go up. As the stock market starts to move higher, the media will begin to report things like, "Oh my god, the stock market is doing amazing. People are making a killing in the stock market. You have to get in now." Then people start to follow the hype and start to buy stocks, and this makes stock market prices go even higher. This continues to happen until people realize that they own shares of a company that's valued way higher than it's worth. What happens here? Well, now people who own shares of the company want to sell because they don't want to own an overvalued company, and people don't want to buy an overvalued company. So now you have more sellers than buyers. So now the stock market starts to go down. And then the media starts reporting things like, "The world is gonna end! Sell your stocks now!" And then the stock market goes down. So what should you do? Remember, I'm not your financial planner, so I'm not telling you what to do, and you have to do your own research. But from my experience, find a company that people like and that's innovating for the future. Then wait. Be patient. Wait for the market to crash or for a correction to happen and for the company to be undervalued. Then buy and hold and wait for the market to go up. Now I know this is a very oversimplified version of how it all works, but the essence is buy when everybody's running away and start selling when everybody's so optimistic and buying. The last thing I want to touch on is how you get paid. Let's say you buy 100 shares of a stock at $10 a share. You'd have to pay $1,000 plus your brokerage fees to buy the stock. Now if the stock goes up to $20 a share, you only make money when you sell the stock. So if you sell the stock at $20 a share, you just made $1,000 minus your brokerage fees. But if the stock comes down to $5 a share, you just lost $5. So you only make money when you sell the stock unless the company offers a dividend. A dividend is when the company literally pays you cash just for holding on to the stock. You can also make money when a company goes under by doing something called shorting stocks. You're essentially betting against the success of a company, but I'll talk about this in a later video. If you want to learn more about investing, I have a free ebook you can download on my website. You can download it by clicking this link right here. And be sure to subscribe to the Minority Mindset YouTube channel because we're coming out with new videos on business and entrepreneurship every single week. And share this with your friends on Facebook so they can learn too. Follow me on Snapchat for daily entrepreneurship and business tips. Take a picture or screenshot of this image right here. Go to Snapchat, click add friends, add my snap code to select this image, and I do a Periscope broadcast on business and entrepreneurship topics every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll see you there. And as always, keep hustling.